G'day! In today's video I've got a Samsung Galaxy A13 that requires a charging port replacement. This one down the bottom, you probably can't quite see it. It is quite heavily smashed. Nope. Can't get the angle right. Just take my word for it on this one. And to get inside, I've had my blue heat pad here at 75 degrees, heating up the phone for just a little bit now. Need to remove the SIM tray, and then we need to get into it, which this one, I should be able to use a metal pry tool to at least start the separation. As you can see, this phone's not in a very good condition. I'm snaking around between the frame and the different colour of the back. That off. No. Come on. There we go. Just need to get it started in one corner. And once it's started in one corner, or one straight, I'll take that. You can see the gap going on there now. Should be able to proceed around. Go. This one too, hopefully. There we go. And I know this particular phone is dead flat, so I'm going to skip the battery disconnection and proceed straight down here. If you are doing the battery disconnection, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this will come up first, and then you can lift that bit off from there. But I'm going to proceed down here and undo these screws. Go, and now I should be able to flick this up. Go, and I've got one connector and two antenna connectors that need to be disconnected. So that I'll put this underneath and just flick it up. Same with the other one, under and up. Disconnect, disconnect, grey over red, disconnect. One screw. Should be able to lift that up and out now. You can kind of see what I mean about the damaged charging port. It's basically rounded off into an arrow. This way, drop back in. Screw. Push down, connector over the top, push, and it should click. Next up is lining up the connector here, push down, and we're in. Over here. There we go. 1, 2. Good. And then we put the cover back over the top. Push down. And then screws back in from there. The biggest challenge with this one is getting that back cover off all in one piece. It does seem to be slightly more difficult than what it really needs to be. I would say in the future that's probably going to be more the norm. having that back cover, especially if the EU getting removable batteries passed over there. So eventually a whole bunch of phones are probably going to have a back cover similar to this, where you can take that off and that gets you in there, which personally I don't mind at all. A quick and easy replaceable battery used to be a standardized feature years ago, and they seem to have removed it once they could get onto the fact that if your battery's dead, you're probably going to buy a new phone. They used to also say that they can make phones smoother, thinner, more waterproof, but I'm pretty sure they could engineer ways around that. Anyway, there we go. Put it back together, and now this is going to go on charge. So that's how to replace the charging port in a Samsung Galaxy A13. Hope this helps. See you later. Bye.